Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing the red dragon on a Samsung tablet. I've put a sticker over the camera and I I used a silicone remover to remove any grease from the backside. Because it's black, I use this black and start right away with the stencil. So this is the highlight white which I'm using, and I'm painting it in full white. So this is actually the same dragon as the video 311, but this stencil right now is the edition. So this is with light gray. So there is not much freehand work to do with this combination of this both stencil, and then you have like a real cool detailed dragon. And now I can lay any color I want on this pattern. So as you can see, I used red and orange tones. So this is a stencil for the mouth and for the dragon body, which I'm painting in full red. And then I'm doing some freehand coloring, which is actually no problem in this size. And now comes the beauty of the transparent colors. So I can lay them directly on the dragon, and I can mix the colors on the dragon. So this now is yellow, this is magenta, and you can see I can develop nice orange tones with this combination. Again, the yellow, and you can see with each layer you get more depth in the colors than in the dragon. Let's just get now for the fire, using a little bit of full white. And also the beauty about the stencil book is that you can reapply all stencils again. For example, this is now the highlight white, and I can pick out some details like in the teeth or in the scales, where I can put like some highlights in, and then I can also repeat it again with the colors. As you can see now, I have like cool highlights, and I can go in there again with the red and the magenta and the yellow. Now this is the light brown, which I mixed myself out of 90% yellow and 10% purple. And there you get like the really nice orange tones. Now a little bit on the fire breath. So now I can do something about the background. So I lay like a white outline outside the dragon. As you can see in this stencil, you can also put a color to the eye. And now, because it's red-orange, I use the light blue. As a complementary contrast. And I'm finishing it with some highlights from the first stencil. Like the eye, the teeth, and then it's ready. If you like this kind of airbrush style, you can subscribe my channel. Over 700 videos there. And see you soon. Bye.